Welcome to this video on the differences between stick and MIG welding. Both processes join metal, but they use different tools and consume different materials to achieve a successful weld. We will compare these two processes based on three core differences: applications, ease of use, and consumable materials. Stick welding, or shielded metal arc welding, uses a single consumable rod. Electricity melts the rod into the joint, while the flux coating creates a protective gas shield around the weld pool. Stick welding consumes single electrodes, which range from 1 mm to 5 mm thick. Modern portable machines for this process often include hot start and anti-stick features to improve usability. Stick welding is excellent for outdoor environments and can handle dirt and rust. It easily joins mild steel and stainless steel, making it ideal for structural and heavy-duty repairs. MIG welding, or gas metal arc welding, uses a machine to feed a continuous wire instead of a single rod. An external gas shields the weld pool from contaminants. MIG machines consume continuous wire spools. Solid wire requires external gas bottles for shielding. Alternatively, flux cord wire allows for gasless welding. Wire thicknesses typically measure 0.8 mm to 1.0 mm. The continuous wire feed of MIG welding makes the process very fast and creates clean joints. It is also generally easier for students to learn compared to stick welding. Comparing the two processes, stick welding uses single rods and is suited for rough outdoor environments, although it is slower and harder to master. MIG welding uses wire spools, is faster and easier to learn, and is best suited for clean indoor environments. You don't have to choose just one process. Multi-process inverters combine both stick and MIG capabilities into a single portable unit, offering versatility for different projects.